On the CircuitPython Parsec today, I want to continue with the Rotozoom library, and this time, last week we looked at rotation, this time we're going to look at, you guessed it, zoom. So in the bitmap tools, we can grab this, you can see right here, import bitmap tools. We can grab this Rotozoom library or set of commands that make it easy to manipulate a bitmap that is part of display I/O. So you can see here in the code, the main things that are important here is grabbing display I/O, grabbing bitmap tools. Also using image load to throw this Lars BMP up on my feather wing. Yeah, it's a touchscreen feather wing here, TFT, connected to a RP2350, I believe. In the main body of the code here, we're going to do setup of the display, setup of the touch screen, set the parameters for the display width and height. I'm setting the palette to be based on the bitmap that we're importing. And I'm also searching for pure magenta, which is what I use to knock out transparency. So this is, if we put a different color background on here, you're not going to see black square behind Lars. It's got a properly knocked out background color. In the functions that I've set up here, right towards the main loop, you can see this one here called draw scaled. So what happens is we create essentially two canvases. We import the bitmap, and that's the source, and then we have a destination that we're casting it onto. You can think of it as like a little screen that we can move around, a little canvas that we can move around. So last week that's what I rotated. This week that's what I'm going to scale. So I first clear the canvas there, and then I use this command, bitmaptools.rotozoom. I have the destination and the source palette and bitmaps that I've set up. And then I have the origin, where we're going to scale from, the center of it. And then the source width and height that's being cast on the destination. Right now I'm setting the angle to 0. And then I'm using this right here, scale, to change the scale of the bitmap. Initially this is set to 1. But you can see here in the main loop of the program, I'm checking for touches of the screen, and then I'm looking to see if that touch value is increasing or decreasing, and casting that to a scale value down to, I think I have a 0.25 minimum, so a quarter of the scale. You can see it get real small there, or 2x. So if I drag this all the way up, this will go 2x. And you could arbitrarily adjust those. I'm using a nearest neighbor for scaling, so we're not trying to interpolate anything. We're just going to see big pixels as we get closer and closer. But it's pretty performant. You can see here, there's a little bit of skipping. The frame rate isn't super fast, but still, this is right here in CircuitPython using a pretty simple set of tools with this bitmap tools libraries Rotozoom. And so that is how you can adjust the scale of a bitmap object inside of CircuitPython using Rotozoom. And that is your CircuitPython Parsec.